What is Python programming language? Python is a very popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and was first released in 1991. Python uses includes web development, that is the backend and server side of a web application, system scripting and automation, mathematics and analysis, and of course, software development. How powerful is Python programming language? And what really can this Python programming language do? Python language can work on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and others. It uses simple syntax that is very similar to the English language, making it easy to learn and understand. Subsequently, the syntax allows developers to write programs using few lines of code as compared to some other programming languages. Additionally, Python runs on an interpreter system. This means that the code can be executed as soon as it is written, making prototyping very quick. This means that Python can be treated as a procedural method, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python can be used on a server to create web applications, with other software to create workflows, to connect to database systems, to read and modify files, to handle big data, to perform complex mathematics, for rapid prototyping, and for production-ready software development. Comparing Python's syntax to other programming languages. 1. Python was designed for readability. 2. Python has some similarities to the English language. 3. Python has influence from mathematics. 4. Python uses new lines to complete a command, instead of using semicolons and parentheses. 5. Python relies on indentation. 6. Python uses whitespace to define scopes like loops, functions, and classes, instead of using curly brackets. Python comes in many versions. There is Python 2.0 and Python 3.0. You can code by writing in a text editor. Python's IDE, meaning integrated development environment, like Thunny, PyCharm, NetBeans, Virtual Studio Code, Eclipse, and so forth. Next, we will learn how to create your own programming language. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, share, comment, and like.